Greetings, I want to show you how to use white vinegar to put in your HVAC air conditioner cooling system into the condensation pipe, and that's to help with odor and to help it keep it from clogging up. It's fairly simple to do. So the only thing you need is white vinegar, distilled white vinegar, a cup, and a little funnel usually helps. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and turn your HVAC system off. So right now we got it on cool, and your monitor may look a little bit different. So what we're going to do is completely turn it off. All right, now let's go ahead and go to the HVAC system. All right, so this particular HVAC system is in the upstairs closet, but it's going to look something pretty much like this. It's going to look like a little metal box like this. All right, and that is our condensation line right there, and that's where we're going to be putting the white vinegar. So let's go ahead and do that now. You want it to be distilled white vinegar. You don't want it to be apple cider vinegar, but white vinegar preferably. And so this is the condensation line. So you're going to take off this valve. You might have to unscrew it, and this is the condensation line that goes into the HVAC system. And what we're going to do, I got a little funnel here. Not necessary, but makes it a lot easier so it won't pour out. And we're going to do approximately, with white vinegar, we're going to do approximately 1 cup. And our HVAC system is off. And what we're going to do, just pour that in there. You can hear it go down. And we are going to let that sit, and we're going to keep the HVAC system off for 30 minutes. And then after 30 minutes, we are going to, you can chase it down with some water, and that helps to get rid of the vinegar off of your lines. You can chase it down with water, but that's not necessary. And then of course, put your cap back on, and then turn the HVAC system on. However, you can use bleach instead of vinegar and do it the exact same way that I just did with the vinegar. And a lot of HVAC people swear by it to use bleach instead of vinegar, but a lot of people say that that's a little bit harsher on the pipes. So there's nothing wrong with going vinegar. Vinegar pretty much does the same thing as bleach. It's just not as powerful. And then of course with the bleach, you'd want to chase that down 30 minutes later with water as well. All right, so if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.